Hey guys, this is Julia with Sunnyside Acura. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Chevy Blazer RS trim that we have for sale. Chevy stopped making these vehicles in the mid-2000s, but they finally brought it back with some refreshed designs in 2019. So let's check out what's unique about the 2020. Some things that I personally love about the RS trim is that you get blacked out accents throughout the whole vehicle, you get a broad aggressive grille, fog lights, and you get 21-inch tires, which work great with the all-wheel drive system in the winter. The sportiness of the RS package carries onto the inside as well. You get these contrast stitching leather seats that are heated and ventilated. You also get navigation controlled with your touchscreen and music to set the sound on your Bose speakers. Not only does our 2020 Chevy Blazer RS have the looks, the features, but it also has the power to go with those two things. It gives you a 3.6-liter V6, 308 horsepower. To set up a preview of this car, to ask any questions, you can reach me, Julia, at 603-816-1329. Again, that's 603-816-1329. See you soon!